let's change some wiper blades on the NX4 version. So that's the 2021 version of Tucson. One thing on these actually is you won't have a visible wiper blade on the rear. So anyway, I'm going to show you what to do, and this kind of coincides with the front as well, because even when you go to do the front of these, you can't really lift them because the bonnet's getting in the way. The arm of the bonnet meets, sorry, the arm of the wiper meets the bonnet, so that's a bit of a problem. Okay, so if you have a key, just remember here, this is the wiper stalk over here. I know you know that already. Yeah, key, no feet on the pedals. We're going for one click on the ignition, which is accessory mode, and then we're going to hold down the wiper stalk, and that's brought up the wipers so they're accessible, and it's also brought down the rear wiper. Now, I know this is really obvious or whatever, but just in case, if you have the push button start version, again, no feet on the pedals, one click on the push button start, hold down the wiper stalk again for 2 or 3 seconds, and it's exposed the front wiper, and again it's exposed the rear wiper. So let's start off with the rear one. Rear one, lift it out. It'll feel like you're kind of forcing it, but it's not. Don't be afraid of it. Push it all the way up, and then even on this one it might feel like you're forcing it. Don't be afraid of it. Now, it definitely works better when you've got 2 hands, but essentially this round cylindrical shape here, we're sitting up into this hole here. So again, say for example this was a new blade, all you're doing is basically sitting that up into that there. Again, much easier when you got 2 hands, but anyway, so that's back in place, nice and smooth. I can push it down, rear wiper sorted. And then for the front ones, you have these little guys you can click out, same on this side here. So we're just going to do the driver's one. It's the exact same principle on both sides, so click that in. Now at the same time I should be pulling this at the top. I don't have 3 hands, so okay, so what I've done there is click that, and I've pulled this at the same time. So let's pull this out. So now it'll just come straight out, and so you get a new blade, and then you would pop that back in. A little bit easier again with 2 hands, but can't do anything about that right now. Moving it down, just make sure it travels in behind that and that there. So pull it down, and that's the wiper blade sorted. And then in both cases, when you're finished, start the car and just use the wipers as normal, and both of them then will have retracted back into their places. So that's how you sort the wiper blades on NX4 Tucson, which is basically from 2021 up as far as 2025 at the time of this video. Thanks for watching.